Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about how do we master the squeeze for profitable trades. I'm going to give you 3 quick tips in this video lesson on exactly how to do that. So if you trade the squeeze, you're looking to get better, this video lesson is going to be perfect for you. All right, let's get into it. When it comes to TTM squeeze, why do traders like myself like trading this indicator? Here's the reason why I like to trade it. That squeeze, whenever a stock is in a squeeze, it's letting us know that it's setting up for its next big move. The only problem is we just don't know which direction it's going to fire. So the squeeze is a volatility indicator. Now in this video, I'm going to be utilizing the Squeeze Pro. So if we're looking to master the TTM squeeze, what do we do? Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple guidelines that I want you to follow. What I want you to do first of all is I want you to look for stack moving averages. We talk about that all the time, but let's recap. So this is the 8 above the red, above the pink. So we have the 8 exponential moving average above the 21 exponential moving average above the 34. So when you're bullish, you want those stacked to the upside, and when you're bearish, you want those stacked to the downside. So far, makes sense? Okay, so that was the first piece of the puzzle. Now, here's what I want you to look at. Let me go ahead and zoom in right here to see SPX. So if you notice with this Squeeze Pro, and one of the reasons why I like it so much is it's got all these different compressions. When it comes to the squeeze, you got these black dots, which means low compression squeeze, red dots, mid compression squeeze, and you even have the orange, which is the high compression squeeze. So here's what I want you to do. Not only do you want to have the stacked moving averages, but I want you to focus on those red dots after they come after the black dot. So let me explain. What that's telling me is we're going from this green, for example, volatility is expanding, it's trending, right? The stock is trending. But then as things start to become quiet, we go from green to black. That's letting us know that the stock is about to take a break. Now, sometimes it can go black for a while, but then from the black goes into the red. So it starts off with that low compression squeeze into the mid compression squeeze. So I want you to start focusing on trading those squeezes, red dots, but those red dots come after a black dot. So far, so good? All right, let's move on to the next thing. All right, so now let's talk about the third piece of the puzzle. For this, I'm going to be utilizing an indicator down below called the Forecast Pro. I have a lot of videos on this indicator, and this month, anybody who gets my Options Elite Masterclass, I'm going to be giving you that indicator for free. That indicator cost me over $1,000 to build, and I'm going to hook you up for free this month if you get my Options Elite. But what we're going to be focusing on this indicator is we're going to be focusing on this blue line and this orange line. What those lines are telling us is it's the momentum on different time frames. You got the micro momentum, the short-term momentum. Now, I've got a lot of videos on this channel. I got an entire playlist about this indicator, so make sure you check it out. All right, now, remember, we have stacked moving averages. Since this is bullish, and you can see up here with my bullish permission sticker, they're stacked to the upside. We're in that squeeze. We started with the black and we went to the red, but here we go. What I want you to do is focus on this blue line and this orange line. That's the short-term momentum and the micro momentum. When both of those close in the lower zone at the same time, that is the time to get into the trade. All right, so next time you trade the squeeze, what I want you to do is I want you to focus on those 3 things. The stacked moving averages. Again, if you're bullish, make sure they're stacked to the upside. When you enter the squeeze, I want you to enter that red squeeze after it's come from a black squeeze. So it's green to black to red. And then the entry is when those 2 lines both close in the lower zone at the same time. Does that make sense? All right, and if it's bearish, it's the opposite. Stacked to the downside, black to red. But what you're going to be doing is you're going to be waiting for the blue and the orange to both close in the upper zone at the same time. Let me show you that really quickly. Okay, so here's an example of that. You can see here you got this dot And it plots it for you on this Forecast Pro, but you got the orange and the blue. They both close in the upper zone. Now, this wasn't in a squeeze. I just wanted you to visually see that. So you're going to be looking for that downtrending stock in a squeeze. Those both close in the upper zone at the same time. That's the time you get into the trade. I promise you, if you implement those 3 steps that I share with this video lesson, it's going to make all the difference in your trade in the TTM Squeeze. And I want you to start that today. Hey, listen, this month, anybody who gets my Options Elite Masterclass, information is down below. I'm going to hook you up with all sorts of bonuses. One is going to be the TTM Squeeze Master Course. I'm going to give you that Master Course for free. In addition to that, that indicator that I use in this video lesson, the Market Forecast Pro, I'm going to give that to you for free as well this month to anybody who gets my Options Elite. So if that interests you, information is down below in the description. Now, if you don't have that TTM Squeeze Pro, I use that indicator every day. It's through Simpler Trading. I am affiliated with Simpler Trading. If you get that indicator through my affiliate link, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to hook you up with all sorts of bonuses for free. You help me, I help you. If you're interested in that, check out the bonuses down below. And if you get that indicator, email me with proof that you did, and I'm going to send it to you. If you found value in today's video, if you like the squeeze, hey, give me a thumbs up on this video. I would really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really does help support the